Oh, hello there, my curious friend. Have you ever had those fun little hiccup attacks? And you wonder what's going on there? Well, hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that's the muscle under your lungs, decide to throw a surprise party. It suddenly squeezes, and that makes air rush to your lungs. Your vocal cords slam shut, making the hic sound. Fun fact, the longest recorded hiccup lasts 68 years. Can you imagine hic, hic for that long? So next time you hiccup, tell your diaphragm, okay, buddy's party's over. Stay curious, friend. Follow me for more wise learnings you should remember. Thanks for watching. See ya.